Good morning, everyone. This is a series of video about free video to tell you how to achieve your financial freedom 10 years before the others. I am Alfred, the best-selling author of free best-selling books in the market, saving for the rainy days. So in the previous video, I have explained the first technique actually is saving $1 million out of your property mortgage interest. That's in the previous video. The second video is how do you double up your yearly saving from 10,000 ringgit, go it up to 20,000 ringgit every year. That will actually solve your retirement fund problem. You don't need to worry about your EPF fund having too low a balance. The third series, which is this series, I'm talking about how to get the most benefit out of your life insurance policy. So without further ado, I have prepared some slides, and then I actually go into this slide. I'll share with you the slides here. Everyone will carry some insurance policy, no doubt about it. Some friends of you or some relative you have been a life insurance agent, and you bought some life insurance actually from them. Oh, now this is the series number one. Series number two is retirement fund. This one is series number three, life insurance policy. Paying less and getting more. How do you do that? Now, obviously, in the property series number one, your banker will always recommend you to carry a 30 years mortgage period. He's talking not in your interest. He's talking in his own banker interest. The longer your mortgage period, the more interest he's going to collect from you. So that is not going to work in your benefit. That's only working in his benefit. Also, in the insurance industry, the insurance agent will try to convince you to buy a whole life policy that you have to pay premium your whole life, even after 60 or until you die. So obviously, he's talking in his own best interest because he's collecting commission out of you the whole life. It's not in your interest because after year 60 you're retired, you don't have monthly income anymore, but you still have to pay your insurance policy up to the day you die. Maybe you die at 80, so you still have to pay the insurance policy 20 years from retirement. I mean, where do you get the money? You don't have that money, isn't it? So that's a mistake I learned myself because in my younger days, people sell me the whole life policy, and I carry a few of them. But after a while, I thought, wow, how am I going to pay my insurance policy after my retirement? It's going to be a problem. I mean, I don't have any income anymore. So I will actually uh, convert it later on after realizing my mistake. I convert it to pay up 10 years or 20. I pay it up 10 years or 20 years. Even though I don't got a very big life coverage, but I don't need a big coverage. 10 years or 20 years, I still in my working life. So my salary and wages is good enough to pay all the premium. So the first thing you have to do is, if you have a whole life policy, cancel it, convert it to the 10 years to 20 years, you pay it up. No need to worry about. And then you carry a critical illness rider there and also waiver premium. That will be working in your best interest. That's a restructuring number one. Restructuring number two is, look at this example. This guy is also misled by his insurance agent by buying a whole life policy. And then he has to pay 3,500 every year. His cash value has already gone to 50,000. Yeah, I mean, after carry the whole life policy of 10 years, he actually has a cash value of 50,000 or more. Sometimes could go to 100,000 cash within the policy. So if you have that sort of money in your policy, you don't have to pay the whole life. You just convert it to a 10 years plan or 20-year plans and use your cash value to pay up the life policy. So you don't need to pay any more. You save 3,500 every year for the next 20 to 30 years. You save up that money. That's a lot of money being saved, without wasting it on the insurance policy. And for that saving, you don't invest in the insurance policy. Insurance policy is for your life protection for you or your family members. It's not intended for investment. A lot of it actually the theory of our insurance policy is pool everyone money together, and just in case one out of 100 gets sick or whatever, they pay out from that particular pool. That's the theory of an insurance policy. It's not intended for investment. Insurance people never know about investment. They will never tell you the way to get 10% or more return on your saving. Only investment advisor can. Only I can tell you how, and then I tell you how in my series number 2, how to double your yearly saving, double every year. Look at my series number 2. I won't repeat it here. You go to look at my video. Okay, the case number 3 is they have overlapping policy. They buy the investment linked policy. As I said before, insurance agent is insurance agent. They provide protection, not provide investment return. You get it wrong. You invest in the wrong people. You look at this particular case. You pay 4,000 every year for investment purpose. That's totally wrong. Insurance people is only able to provide you with protection and for your family. They are not the investment guy. So cash them out, put it in an investment return kind of things vehicle, like stock or unit trust, and then listen to my series number 2, how to double up your yearly saving. That will be very helpful. There's a lot of technique. Obviously, people may not know how to master all these techniques. That's why I'm here today. If you don't know how, I teach you how for small fees. So once again, if you like to look at the two things right in life, one is saving $1 million, $1 million from your mortgage interest. The second one is double up your money every year. Actually, you can scan this QR code, and then these two video are private video. They are not shared randomly. You pay the fees, and actually we show you how to do that. Each of the video is not too long; it's only 15 minutes long, but you gain a lot of knowledge. This knowledge are not in the books. This knowledge are not actually in the market. Property agent will convince you to do the wrong things, carry 30 years mortgage interest. That will make them rich, not make you rich. Insurance policy, insurance agent will not tell you how to invest. That's not their jobs. The only investment advisor like myself can tell you exactly the technique, how to double up your investment. So don't save this 99 ringgit. It's a very small fees, but the video will actually teach you some very essential skill. And attached to the video is if you don't understand the content, there is also a one-to-one 30-minute section privately with me, and I actually show you. I hold your hands and then make you understood. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much.